I said I'm buried alive in a TV set. I said I'm buried alive with one last regret. I said I'm buried alive in a TV set. I said I'm buried alive with one last regret. Regret. Can't pay my rent, baby need food, car out of gas. Dog fiends need doubt, sinners need hope. Without that fix, how you gon' cope? Dog fiends need doubt, sinners need hope. Without that fix, how they gon' cope? Only way out is to serve like Paul. Waiting on a job, that's a suicide note. Oh, fuck a Democrat. Hell no, I don't vote. I'm voting for my money, so don't drop the soul. We on the main line. Don't try to play me close. Level 5 pimpin', land of animals, and kennels. We want money and cars, shoot for the stars, buy out the bars. Tell all them hookers, just roll call them on your boulevard. Still at large. Say to TV set, we don't play them games. This ain't a fairy tale, it's the Mac Man. Welcome to the Hall of Game. So step up your game or be lame. Too much TV set is bad for the brain. Change your name and switch up your game. Either way it go, you've been framed. You believe everything you see on that demon-possessed TV, and you wonder how the world got so crazy. Who needs the TV set? I'd rather be stress-free. Think for myself, ask the Lord for advice. Trapped in a TV set, trying to find true identity. Trying to find me, just another prison. A wild goose chase, Scooby. I know what's on your mind. Welcome to America. Peace is hard to find, every day it's getting scarier. Jackers on the prowl, police in your area. Call it night of the living dead in case they already buried ya. Who needs the police? Everyone's the Ku Klux Klan. Black on black, white on white, Uncle Sam on Uncle Scam. Now I'm back in Vietnam, in my mind once again. Trapped in a TV set, looks like I never win. With all these fake history books, let the games begin. Instead of breaking out the TV set, looks like I'm breaking in the pen. It's Christmas time, I got to do my shopping, bro. Can't ride the bus because it's full of animals. They full of stress from that evening news, so no need to talk, just go solo. This ain't a bus, this is a sack of wood. Look at all the animals, tell me what they drooling for. Yeah, they talking shit, but they can't back it up. Defend yourself and you get locked up. They know the games, they know the rules. Coward take all and win or lose. When they pressing charges against you, even though they started to fight, you know the rules. Sharecroppers gotta pay their dues. Be like the cops, what the TV say. But unemployment got in the way. I guess black on black is here to stay. Brain dead is judgment day. Judgment day. TV set. The TV set is what you get, now the world is gay. Brain dead is what Simon said, the TV set is for the living dead. No need to give her a compliment. You know the rules, you better repent. They call this public transportation, better learn the rules, bro. No talking to the animals. No talking to the animals. Black on black, that's how we go. No talking to the animals. You're under arrest. You ready to go. You ready to go. No talking to the animals. Black on black, that's all they know. No talking to the animals. You're under arrest. Is you ready to go? Go. Here comes the po-po. Dr. Doolittle can't save you no more. We in the great pandemic. Everybody need dough. Dr. Doolittle can't save you no more. We in the great pandemic. Everybody need dough. Looks like your mind playing tricks on your TV set, bro. Black on black, white on white. You can't change that, bro. Looks like your mind playing tricks on your TV set, so black on black, white on white. You already know. You under arrest. Let's go. And I don't know what you're stressing for. Stressing for, texting for, texting for. Devil here to repossess you. So, I don't know what you're stressing for. Texting for, stressing for. Devil came to claim you. So if you break the rules, you already know. TV said already told you. There ain't no talking to the animals. Ain't no talking to the animals. And if you break the rules, you're under arrest. Let's go. Ain't no more Huxtables. Ain't no more. Only place you find on your TV set is the only place you find the Huxtables. In the real world, ain't no love, just more ankle bracelets and more parole. So let that brain dead TV set go. TV set got you going toe to toe, looking in the mirror, trying to take your own soul. I call it psycho. TV set got you going crazy, looking in the mirror, trying to take your own soul. Now you're under arrest. Let's go. At a Travis Scott concert, trying to keep it on the low. It's gonna be hard to save your soul. At a Travis Scott concert, trying to keep, just relax and let it go. It's the Wild Wild West on my TV set. Evening news got the world brain dead. Damn, mind under arrest. Bankroll under arrest. It's the Wild Wild West on my TV set. Bankroll got the world brain dead, full of stress. Wild Wild West on my TV set. Should I go to church and be blessed? Pray for another million or two, so I could escape this haunted house Scooby-Doo. I'm breaking out the TV set and the evening news. Too many jackets, too much malpractice. Got to watch my back just to stack this. Oh Lord. Can't get a job, so I'm stuck on the block. My occupation, slanging. My stimulus check came late, with all these immigrants at the border breaking in while waiting. I got a pocket full of rocks to ward off the hate. With all these undercovers at the gate, fentanyl in the drugs, got me scared straight. I guess I'm too late. Hey, whatever happened to democracy? If I can't get a job, will I ever be free in the land of milk and honey? Looks like the only thing free is reality, and the only place you find it is on your TV. Demon possessed by the exorcist, jacking for souls in 3D. Ooh wee, Scooby. In case you survive, the fake freedom and the lies listed in the TV guide. Welcome to America. Put the remote to your head, pull the trigger, and say goodbye. The TV set and them lies just died. Brain dead, ain't no place to hide. No place to hide for Bonnie and Clyde. Demon possessed by a TV set, spreading lies and taking souls worldwide.
bring it to you, bro. Make it up for sure this time, bro. For sure.
Say this every time, dog.
I'm gonna make it up, bro. Look out for me.
Look, I'm gonna do it this time.
Yeah.
When you get your money on, man, you gotta give me mine, man.
I'll break you off, man.
Yeah, nigga.
Oh, yeah. Thank you, man.
Yeah.
Nice.
What's up, Sneaky D?
Bro,
I'm chilling, bro.
sure, I need another one of them zones, man.
You know, I keep that. Keep that.
Yeah, this shit cool, man. Yeah, my shit straight, nigga. Cause the last one I got from you was fucked up. I'm still trying to get my customer.
Come on.